Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to participate in a Peerceptiv group formation assignment. The group formation assignment uses a survey to gather student information and creates optimized student groups based on the survey responses. In the assignment dashboard, you will see the option to complete the group survey. You may also see the option to create or join a group. If this option is available, then you are permitted to opt out of completing the survey to create your own group. You must either complete the survey or join a group to complete the assignment. Select Group Survey on the assignment dashboard to begin the survey. You may see a schedule question where you can indicate your availability to meet with the members of your group. Please complete the schedule questions according to your availability in your course time zone. Press Next to move to the next prompt. Ranked choice prompts ask you to rank items in order. You will need to rank each item within the list from first to last. Multiple choice questions will prompt you to select one response. It's important to answer truthfully so that you are placed with other students whose choices are best aligned with your honest responses. When the survey is complete, you will see a button that says Group Formation Survey Complete. This means that you have completed the assignment. Click this button to view or edit your survey responses. If you choose to opt out of the survey, select Create or Join a Group. You will be able to create a group or request to join a group. If your name has a star next to it, this means that you are the Peerceptiv group leader, and you are allowed to invite, accept, or remove people from your group. To request to join a group, send a request to a group member or the group as a whole. The group leader will receive an email and in-app notification. They must approve your request via one of those methods before you can enter the group. After the deadline is passed, you will be able to see your results for the assignment. Click View Results on the assignment dashboard. Please note that Peerceptiv will generate groups based on student survey responses, but your instructor has final approval and may rearrange group membership before releasing results. You will receive a 100% overall grade if you complete the survey or are able to join a group. You will see the members of your group below. Scroll down to see the survey results. You may be able to see how similarly your group members responded to the survey. For example, if a time slot within the schedule shows 100%, this means each member of your group is available at that time. Thank you for watching this video on Peerceptiv's group formation assignment. If you have any questions, please visit our knowledge base or contact us at support@peerceptiv.com.